Ayan, okay. Wala pa. Wait lang. Hintayin natin bumuka ang ating kandila. Parang ayaw bumuka. Bumuka ka na. Happy birthday to you. Everybody say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And one more time. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Napaka-energetic ng ating family. Okay, Chino? Ayan. Ayan. Alalayan niyo na lang po si Chino, Mami, Daddy. Okay, go yung tanongin. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Okay, wala po palakpakan dyan para sa ating birthday celebrant. Okay, yeah! Dahil nandito rin po yung ating parents. Ayan, Daddy.